પ્રોબ્લેમ શરૂ થઈ ગયા છે. Hello friends, I am going to start the topic about Himalaya as landscape, discuss its importance. So landscapes are useful for development of different natural scenes. We all knows that Himalaya is natural wall for us, right? Himalaya is a natural wall. It is a mountain, and every mountain or a river or a desert is called landscape. So in India, it is must and useful for the protection, because we says that Himalaya is our natural wall. Himalaya is giving us brimming rivers. Himalaya is giving us brimming rivers. Also, Himalaya is giving us different type of the landscapes, as like the valleys, as like the slopes, as like the vegetation also provided by the Himalaya. Forest of Terai you will find from Himalaya landscape. So many pilgrimage are there also available with it. Means Himalaya is providing us different type of the requirements of the water, of flowers, of trees. Also it is useful for the protection. It is providing us forest. It is giving us pilgrim places like Amarnath, Badrinath, Gangotri, Yamunotri, Vaishno Devi, all are associated with it. Mount Godwin Austen, Mount Everest, Kanchenjunga, Dhavalgiri, Nanda Devi, these are the summits, highest of the world. One of the highest of the world is a Mount Everest, is also associated with the Himalaya. So your answer includes these basic points, that providing brimming rivers, useful for vegetation, providing forest, arranging pilgrim places also. So in that way, Himalaya is useful for India in all the way, from ancient period to the modern period. This is the importance of Himalaya. Right friends, this is a question of 2 marks. Now the next question I want to discuss is, discuss people of India. This is a statement which I am going to start. Discuss about people of India as environment lover. So the question comes, environment, right? Environment includes vegetation. So in India we can think that from period of Dravidians and Aryans to the present days, different type of the humans, animals and birds have been developed with the trees as their shelter, their food and other requirements. In regarding India, we can say the India is having different holy and pious plants and trees, as like the people in banyan are the holy and pious trees, and the basil is known to be tulsi also. These all the three are holy and pious. We all know the different type of the holy, aspects or the religious aspects of the trees. Banyan tree is associated with the Vat Savitri Vrata. It is a one important vrata for the Hindu families, in which the lady of the family is keeping the fast whole day for welfare of her husband. So not only husband, ultimately the welfare of the family is also included in it, because our lifestyle is associated with each other. So another one is medicinal plants are also part of it. Harade, behda, amla, aloe vera, ardusi, neem, and the same basil, which is also known to be part of the medicinal plant. We all utilize it, right, in the herbal medicines. Thereafter, different flowers are useful in holy processions, different puja rituals. Lotus, rose, mogro. Mogro is called to be jasmine. Damro is called to be sweet basil. Sunflower, champo is called to be plumeria. Joy is called to be Polyanthus tuberose. Polyanthus tuberose is the name of the joy, right, in a botany subject. Thereafter, these uses are part of our lifestyle. Uses of flowers are part of our lifestyle. These all use of the roses and other flowers made our life fragrant. Use of the medicinal plants made our life healthy and prosperous. So in that way, in social way, in religious way, in India, we give importance to the vegetation and we try to preserve them as a part of our lifestyle, right? This is your question for 2 marks. The another detail is the third answer of this topic is also a statement. India is considered as nature lover also. India is considered as nature lover, and it is not by the present days but since the ancient period. So it is a question of 2 marks. See, in India we try to preserve animals instead of killing animals. So India is an animal lover. The first point is this, right? As a part of the nature, we love the animal also. See, different type of the animals are considered as part of the organisms of environment. Tiger, lion, elephant, rhino, foxes, bear, deer, sambar. These are rabbits, also rabbits, monkeys, pythons, snakes, lizard. Everyone is having importance in India. So we, in the times, from the time of Ashoka, great king Ashoka, from his time, we have formulated one law and it was implemented for non-violence. In Indian, our Sanskrit or the Indian languages, it is called ahimsa. So from Ashoka, we have framed laws also. Another thing, we have given places to different birds, different animals and living creatures with different gods, goddesses and deities. As like eagle is with Lord Vishnu, right? as like Ambaji, goddess Ambaji is usually seen in the photo frame with tiger. Means we have given importance to different gods and goddesses, connect them with different animals. See, we see Nandi. Nandi is a bullock with Lord Shiva. It shows that we are giving importance to them, right? Okay, another point is there to remember. We have given importance to these animals by giving them place in our national emblem. Any national emblem, do you remember the name of the any animal given in the national emblem? Yes, lions are there. You can see the 3 lions, but actually 4 lions. It is a part of the pillar of Sarnath, where actually 4 lions are on the top. In the bottom strip of the lion, you will find 4 sides, one circle each with 24 spokes. In both the side of these circles, you will find horse and bullock are given, right? Horse, bullock, and as I said earlier, lion. These 3 animals are depicted in one emblem. It shows that we have given importance to all the 3. Lion is the symbol of bravery. Horse is the symbol of strength. Bullock is the symbol of hard work. This is a part of the pillar of Sarnath. It has been taken or adapted in our national emblem. With the lower part line is Satyameva Jayate. It is our actual national emblem. But here you find these different animals also. It shows that our life is connected with all the animals, birds and other species. Okay, last point of the answer I have not explained is we have established bioreserve zones, we have established national parks, we have established sanctuaries to preserve these animals also, and we have formulated Wildlife Protection Act also. Means from ancient period, from Ashoka to the present days of modern independent India, we all the time find different examples which shows we are considered as nature lover or animal lover, right? This is answer for 2 marks, or sometime it could be asked for 3 marks. Okay, from whole the answer you can find small points also for 1 line answer be there. Okay friends.